Umotot pa, baby natin. Bulog pala yung anak ko. Ay, tulog. Pag ito bumagsak, ibig sabihin, gising pa Dion. Pag ito steady lang, ibig sabihin tulog pa si Dion. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Ay, tulog pa si Dion.
First day of school ni Dion. Medyo mapagod.
First day of school, Dion.
Dion! Welcome to my vlog! First day of school!
Kaya, baby! First day of school! First day of school mo, Dion. Ito yung school ni Dion, no? First day of school, Dion! School. Dion! Tuesday ulit, ha? What's your first day? Hey. Sige.
Dion? Kain ka muna, egg mayo. Nasa car.
School mo? Ha?